Welcome back to ComfyUI tutorial. In today's video I'll show you something amazing. This 3D model you see here was made fully with free AI, and today we will create it together. The best part is, this method works on just 6GB VRAM, so if your graphics card has 6GB memory, you can run this easily. And your model will be ready in just a few minutes. No paid tools, no complex setup. Just follow each step carefully. So let's get started. Go to the description and open the installation guide. PDF first. Update your NVIDIA drivers. Now open the download link. This window will open on your screen. Scroll down and click the release button. The download will now begin. Download speed depends on your internet connection. Once downloaded, click on the file. Extract it where you want ComfyUI installed. Right-click the file and choose Extract. Select your installation folder. Click Select Folder, then Extract. When extraction is complete, open the folder. Run the first file. Installation may take a few minutes. Installation is now complete. Open the guide and go to Step 3. Here we install TorchPack. Open your ComfyUI Easy Install folder. Go to the Add-on folder. Open the TorchPack folder. Run the second file. TorchPack is now installing. Once complete, close this window. Open the installation guide again. Step 3 is complete. Now move to Step 4. Open the add-on folder again. Run the Flash Attention file. Once finished, close this window. Now run the Trellis 2 file. Wait for installation. To finish, now we need 2 more files. Open the G.G.U.F guide link. Download the first file. Open your Downloads folder. Copy this file. Paste it into the add-on folder. Now run this file. Once complete, close the window. Go back to the drive link. Download the second file. Open the Downloads folder again. Copy the second file. Paste it into the add-on folder. Run this file. This will download all required 3D models. It may take some time. Once complete, close the window. Open the G.G.U.F guide again. Open the workflow folder. Download the first workflow file. Run the ComfyUI Flash Attention file. ComfyUI will open in your browser. First time, the screen may look blank. Drag your workflow into ComfyUI. If nodes are red, open Manager. Install missing custom nodes. If here you will see any custom node is still not installed, then select and install. Restart ComfyUI. Upload your image in the first node. Use a clean square image. Click the Run button. Your 3D generation has started. Here you can see your graphics card works under 6GB. Wait a few minutes. Your final 3D model will appear. And that's it. Your 3D model is ready. You can import it into Blender. Open the ComfyUI output folder. Drag the final model into Blender. Now you can use it in Blender or any 3D project. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to ComfyUI tutorial for more AI guides. I'll be sharing more easy tutorials like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.